Today, we're on the Detroit River and we're chasing walleyes, baby. Let's go. Okay guys, before we get into the action, I wanted to share with you all what it is I'm using and the technique I'm using to catch these Detroit River walleye. I just had a phenomenal trip. It was lights out, but I wanted to show you the actual setup I'm using is right here. This is a 4-inch blue and silver sparkled minnow, plastic minnow, with a stinger hook attached at the top of the jig head here. And this jig head's a 1-ounce jig head, chartreuse and orange. You gotta have 1 ounce on this Detroit River because the current is so strong and pulling you everywhere, and you have to stay vertical in order to be productive walleye fishing on the river. So some other things I like to do is have multiple setups ready to go. So that color was hot, so I stuck with it. But I also have other rod setups. Okay, so here I got the same style jig head, but blue, with a blue and silver Bondi minnow, 4-inch split tail also. I got that ready to go in case the bite isn't good on this. And I've also got a little more natural color on a third rod, kind of a gold with a black top, and another, this has got a paddle tail on it. So I never really used it, but just something different, because if there's a hot color, there's a hot color. And if that's what the walleye want, that's what you got to give them. Bites on. If you haven't been out here yet, you need to get out here and try it. If you guys are new to my channel, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate all my viewers, subscribers, everybody that supports what I'm doing. It truly means a lot. I can't thank you guys enough. So please make sure you guys are following me on Facebook and Instagram as well. A lot of times content that ends up over there doesn't always end up on YouTube. So yeah, head over Facebook, Instagram at The Outdoor Conquest. You can find me there and check it out. Give me a follow. I greatly appreciate it. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I had a long wait at the launch. I'm on a solo mission here, but you can see we're by the Boblo Island boat docks. Right behind me here, Ambassador Bridge. For those of you that don't know, the Ambassador Bridge connects Canada to the United States through Detroit, and pretty historic ordeal there. But I'm gonna motor up river a little bit further to the fishing spot, but we're gonna be vertical jigging for walleye today on the Detroit River. Stick around. That feels like a good one. All right, guys. Got one in. Guys, that fish right there. They just netted a fish. So they're in here. Guy's a bit too small. He's got to go back. It's a good one. is, folks. Detroit River walleye. The fishing's hot. Don't get no better than this, baby. Fish on, guys. Oh, that's a better one. Come on, buddy. Get in there. Got him. Take a look at that, guys. That's right where you want to hook them, right there. Right in the lip. Look at that. Northland tackle. Treble hook. Didn't even hook into him, but let's get back in there. That feels like a better one. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Yep. There's a fish. Fish on. That one come off real easy. Look at that, guys. And he comes. The net's jammed up. There he is. I'd like to thank you all for watching this episode of the Outdoor Conquest. I'm Luke Pulaski. Thanks for watching.